Hi, this is Tara and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting here. This is a video all about recovering from surgery and how to look after your health and well-being. I'm really interested in this subject because I've had quite a few surgeries myself and I had to do a lot of research on how to look after my own body and recover well. So these are some of my discoveries and I want to share them with you and I hope you find them interesting. So first of all, I want to remind you that you must speak to your doctor, your surgeon, your healthcare professional, and of course your physiotherapist with any questions that you have about your surgery. Also, please remember that any supplements, vitamins, herbs that you want to take, you must seek the advice of a healthcare professional first. Okay, so let's talk about after your surgery. The first few days, it's so important that you just take time to rest. You must rest, rest, and rest. Sleep as much as you can and eat a very simple but nourishing diet, also with plenty of hydration. You really want to get your body to recover after you've been not eating for several hours, and also you've had a lot of trauma to the body. So you will need that food to help you recover. Now, your digestion and system can feel a little bit uncomfortable after surgery. You might have a lot of gas or bloating, constipation, sickness. So do keep your food simple. Make sure there's plenty of fiber in your food so it passes through your system easily, comfortably and quickly. And also make sure that you include plenty of protein in your diet. Now you can add in protein that's very easy to digest by having a protein shake or adding protein powder to your yogurt or perhaps your porridge or something like that. Whey protein is very easy to digest, and I really recommend that you would consider taking bone broth. Bone broth is incredible for your gut health, so it's really good for your digestion, which you need after having antibiotics and having a lot of medications in your system. So bone broth helps to settle your gut, repair your gut, it boosts your immune system, and it also has a lot of protein in and nourishes and helps you to heal your tissue quicker. So do consider taking about 2 cups of bone broth a day. I recommend an organic, grass-fed, hormone-free bone broth. Now it's really important after your surgery that you wait 1.5 to 2 weeks before you start introducing any herbs, supplements, vitamins and oils, things like fish oils in your diet. It's important to wait that amount of time because they can react with medications, and you really want to have a break after your surgery to make sure that you have cleared out the medications from your body. If you are still on medications, like for example blood thinners, then again please do seek the advice of your doctor before you take any supplements or vitamins. So here are some ideas of what you can take to help to speed up your recovery. Of course, really important and really simple is just a good quality multivitamin and mineral. You're going to need your iron, you're going to need your zinc, your vitamin C, your vitamin K, your vitamin E. All of these are so important for wound healing, for tissue repair, and also to have less inflammation in the body. So definitely consider a good quality multivitamin and mineral. On top of that, you might like to consider taking a collagen supplement. This is a collagen powder that I take. It's a grass-fed, hormone-free, organic collagen powder. I like to take the powder because I just prefer it that way. You might prefer the capsules. It doesn't taste of anything, and actually it can make things a little thicker. So you might want to add it to, again, yogurt or your coffee. It actually tastes fine. I like to put this in a smoothie every morning. It fills me up and it gives me energy. Collagen is amazing for healing the tissue in your body. It's amazing for your joints, your ligaments, your tendons, your muscles. It's just an all-round great supplement that will help you recover much quicker, and I recommend to take it on a daily basis until you feel much stronger and better after your surgery. Also, you might like to consider, especially if you have if you've had orthopedic surgery, anything to your bones, you've had broken bones, or you've had anything done to your ligaments, your tendons, your joints, then Cissus quadrangularis is a great herb. I've taken this on and off for 2 years, and this herb helps to improve bone density. It helps to speed up the recovery of bone fracture. It also helps repair tears and muscle, ligament and tendon damage. So it's a really great supplement to take. I absolutely love this supplement, and it has an extra bonus that it can help you to actually help with weight loss. And of course, after surgery, we're often not moving very much, so it can really help with weight loss. Another group of supplements you might be interested to take, and these often come together, would be glucosamine, great again for tissue repair and helping with the joints and cartilage. You've got MSM, which is great for preventing, for healing scar tissue, helps with swelling, bruising, inflammation. And then we have chondroitin, which helps to improve the kind of suppleness of your body and tissue, and helps to improve the hyaluronic acid in the body as well. So these are all really good ones to take. I use a brand called British Supplements. They're very high strength and good quality. Other things that you might like to introduce would be a good omega-3 oil blend. Omega-3 helps with inflammation, and it's always a great thing to improve in your to include in your diet anyway, because omega oils help a number of processes in the body. They help our hormones, they help repair of the body, they help our brain health. So a good omega-3 oil. And one other thing I would like to suggest is bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme. It's from pineapples, and it has been shown to reduce swelling, bruising and inflammation in the body as well. So bromelain is another supplement that you could consider. These are all things that you can take on the inside, and then externally, if you have any wounds or any bruising, you might like to consider a calendula cream, which is great for healing, or an arnica cream as well. So think about the external wounds and tissue as well, the healing. So calendula and arnica I also recommend. I think that's quite a lot. And of course, as you take your supplements, remember to keep your diet healthy as well. Please reduce processed foods, high sugar foods, sort of foods with highly processed fats in them, and also make sure that you stay hydrated and you reduce your teas and your coffees, because they can dehydrate you. So I think that's quite a few things that you can work with after your surgery in terms of your supplements and diet, vitamins and herbs. And also, I just want to remind you, of course, your physio, if you're having physiotherapy, of course, it depends on your surgery. But remember, as soon as you are allowed to start moving, make sure you start exercising your body, because you're going to need that circulation. You will need the muscles to recover, and your exercise will really help. So even if you've had surgery on your arm and you can't move your arm, remember you can work the rest of your body out. Make sure that you get outside, you get into the fresh air when you can, after you've done enough rest, because all of that movement will help you to recover. But again, do seek the advice of your physio on what you're allowed to and not allowed to do. So I really hope that helps you. Just some small ideas of what you can do to improve your own recovery after surgery. Do research for yourself, and I know that these things have helped me massively, and I hope that they help you too.